Hi, I'm Sunita Marapalli. The subjects I'm handling is special education with mental retardation. I choose to teach because I feel that this is the profession that is more fulfilling, more satisfying to me, and a privilege to contribute my skills to those who are differently abled. In the next 5 years, I focused myself to become a successful teacher by demonstrating my skills, and I would also like to see myself updated to the next position in the areas of responsibilities as required by the Special Education Board. I have a teaching experience of 11 years in normal school. I possess 1 year of teaching experience in special education. My education qualifications are a Master's in Science specialized in biochemistry. I hold a bachelor's degree in special education majored in mental retardation. American classrooms are well known for empowering the students with state-of-art telecommunication to get information all around the world directly into the classrooms. American classrooms also facilitate freedom of choice and admirable standards of academic conduct along with online learning, expanded sports and extracurricular programs. Education plays a key role for the personality development of any child. In my present career dealings, I have seen children with physical handicaps, speech disorders, language and processing difficulties, autism, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, behavior disorders, including the gifted, struggle to live life has opened me far more responsibilities and challenges. A special educator has to be very spontaneous, creative and accommodative in dealing the children with special needs as there is no particular strategy or an approach to deal with them. I know that my experience have helped me in dealing with these children, creating a strong relationship with the students, having lessons that are child-centered, establishing clear expectations of the students, which includes individualized educational program and resource room expertise, also enabling upgradation and appraisal skills of the student. I find the most exciting thing to become a teacher is experiencing the transformation of the students' personalities and abilities and seeing them developing into successful individuals. That will be a wonderful reward for me. It is also exciting to apply the psychology to the individual needs. I know I could make a difference in a child's life. Now I have the zeal and the passion to spread the skills of living and learning to these children. Being a quick learner, assertive, passionate, goal-oriented, flexible and organized, I'm sure I'll be able to gel easily with the students and train them in the required subject with the utmost care and concern for achieving their educational goals. Given an opportunity, I will also contribute and initiate extracurricular programs such as career education, sports, memory training, cultural clubs, community services and other voluntary services. I will also invest myself to the best of my resources, skills and potentials by being a mentor and a coach for the development of these children. Thank you.